In this video, I'll detail how to install CapCut on iPhone for free. So if you're an editor or you want to use the CapCut editor on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily install the CapCut application on your iPhone, then use it to edit on your iPhone without paying a dime. So basically, there is a premium CapCut and there is a free CapCut. So with the free CapCut, you can still install this on your iPhone without adding your credit card. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to install CapCut on your iPhone, the first thing to do is just open the App Store application on your iPhone. So just search for App Store or open it on the home screen. So once App Store is open, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right and tap CapCut. Now click on the search button and hang on for your iPhone to search for the CapCut application on the App Store. Now, once the search result comes up, then you're going to see CapCut as the first result, that is CapCut Video Editor. If you check through this, you're going to see some other video editing application related to CapCut, but in this case, we're interested in downloading CapCut and installing it on our iPhone. Click on Get. Then once you click on the Get button, you should see this button rules, and then click on the Install button from the pop-up to install the CapCut application. Click on Install. And here in this case, you'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID account password. So now once typed in the password, click on the sign in button and hang on. So your iPhone will confirm the Apple ID password and then switch it on. Now the CapCut application is already installing on my iPhone. That's why you see this button rolling. Then the installation process will begin shortly after this. Then once the installation process is completed, go ahead and click on the open button to open the CapCut application on your iPhone. So that's what you're going to see. Then you should see what that says. Would like CapCut to send you notifications. If you like it, click on allow or disallow. Don't allow. Then here you need to agree to the terms and conditions before you can use CapCut on your iPhone. This. Then there you go. So tap new project to start editing and tap allow full access to start editing CapCut, to start editing videos on your CapCut. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on export button. Then that's it. So this is how you can easily install CapCut on iPhone. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.